Hi, it's the day for Expert Village. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, so now I have a beautiful Roma tomato, a nice bright and red. I'm going to dice this up. So for our tomato, we're going to take off this stem end, of course, and just slice that right off. You don't want to lose too much of this. We're also going to seed this, and this is really easy to do. I just go ahead and cut it down the side. You can do this in water or whatever you want to do, but it's just really easy just to run your finger right down there. It's going to take all those seeds out. Around the other side. Some people like to take this middle rib out. I don't. It seems to me that that would be really a waste. It's still flavorful. It's in there. Do the same thing to the other half. Go ahead and just run your finger through. And take out all that seed and the pulp there. And then just go ahead and take your knife. Cut this into strands, like that, nice little slices, and then run your knife through here too. Do the same with the other half.